Where do we see Bitcoin's price going next? I was really astonished by, we have low volumes between Christmas and New Year's, yet Christmas Eve to Sunday, it rose over 20%, breaching that 28,000. I mean, can this actually last?
Yeah, the funny thing with Bitcoin is that there's no market open and market close for cryptocurrencies. It trades 24/7 somewhere. And as you say, it really spiked over the holiday weekend. I think there's probably, like there often is, a lot of discussion around dinner tables around that time about cryptocurrencies, and it was able to top that 28,000 level. We love round numbers, so the next level we're kind of looking at here is the 30,000 level, which is really astonishing thinking about from where we started at the beginning of the year. Talked to a source today who thinks that if we're looking at 30,000, likely might be a near-term top, but might not necessarily see the same kind of massive crash or sell-off that we did when the bubble burst in 2017. So we're talking maybe in the near term drops of maybe 10 to 15% rather than a really big crash like we did before. It's kind of uncharted territory that we're in now, and it's a dangerous game to try to put a pin on it or put a number on it at this point. I can point to a recent survey from Deutsche Bank. 40% of survey respondents expect Bitcoin to be higher next year in the range of $20,000 to just under $50,000. So that's a rough area of thinking about it. Another 12% actually see it crossing $100,000, which, again, sounds pie in the sky. But, hey, we're talking about 30,000 now, and that's relatively within earshot. Considering, again, where we started the year of right around $4,000, suddenly doesn't sound so crazy.
What about other assets compared to Bitcoin? Everyone loves to compare it to gold. Manus calls Bitcoin the millennial gold. But gold right now is trading under 1,900. This summer it did very well, almost close to 2,100. How does Bitcoin compare with other assets? It just doesn't seem like any other asset can really keep up with the momentum that Bitcoin has.
Yeah, I mean, when you look at asset classes, certainly there's not really any real good comparison to Bitcoin. Gold is up about 25% this year, which pales in comparison to Bitcoin's almost 300% gain. Looking for gains like that, you're talking about individual stocks or speculative assets at that point. So it really has been a monster year for Bitcoin and for other cryptocurrencies as well. At this point of the year, we're winding down. We've seen it drop a little bit. There's still those kind of concerns about regulatory issues that are constant worry for cryptocurrencies. But longer term, again, one of the big changes from 2017 till now is that we have seen the entry or the start of entry of the institutional investors, and that has made a difference from back in 2017.
It's not only a great reset, it's